When I reached out to Wendy, I was looking for ways to manage our company's income, and I had been reading a book called Profits First, and she really kind of helped me put into place a system where we could track our money a little bit better, and we were definitely better able to manage our month-to-month cash flow. And I feel like we're definitely able to always make sure we have money on hand to pay for things like taxes and inventory and the daily operational expenses of running a business that has advertising and cost of goods and products sold on several different channels. She's really just been super helpful. We're able to call her when we need to just discuss anything related to taxes or accounting or even hiring, like our first employees. It's been invaluable working with Wendy, so she's been really helpful. So we're making a big push to expand the Old Bones Therapy brand, and Wendy is going to make sure that we're tracking all of our metrics and making sure that we're getting a good return on investment from advertising and marketing efforts. It's great. I get a monthly profit and loss statement, our taxes every year. She takes care of the business taxes as well as my wife and I's personal taxes. She really knows her stuff inside and out. It's just awesome having her working for us in our corner, and I feel like whatever happens, she's gonna have our back and we'll take care of it from there. Thanks for all your help, Wendy. Couldn't have got here without you. We'll talk to you soon, and take care.